Hello everyone, my name is Rubat Zahra, lecturer in English at Coastal College for Women, HA2 Islamabad. Today in this video, I want to share with you some tips to improve your grammar. English language is a global language as everyone knows it very well. And in this age of cutthroat competition, it is a must to learn English language. In order to improve your language, that is in otherwise possible. It doesn't mean you cannot improve your language. You can if you want to, and if you had the right guidance. The only thing is, in order to learn a language, you know very well that you must be aware of, you must well practice the rules of grammar. And to be very honest, nothing is impossible in this world and you can do it. Believe me, I always tell my students that they are the ones who can make a change, who can make a difference. The only thing is that you must believe in yourself. And another important thing is try again. And one day you will be able to achieve your target. Don't ever lose heart. Don't ever lose hope. So just be ready to learn English with me. Hope to see you in the next video, but don't forget to subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video. Allah Hafiz.